Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we'll take a look at Innodata Inc., ticker symbol INOD, our first quarter 2024 results, organic revenue growth play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out GSUN pre-market today, May 7th, 2024, before it ran up 147%. We also called out NUZE this morning, May 7th, 2024, before it ran up 115%. And finally, NUWE was called out pre-market today, May 7th, in our private Discord before it ran up 112%. We are just made different, just made different. This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Innodata Inc., ticker symbol INOD, which is located in Ridgefield Park, New Jersey. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ information technology services company with a $193 million market cap and over 4,200 employees. Innodata operates as a global data engineering company in the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Canada, and internationally. The company operates through three segments. The DDS segment provides artificial intelligence services such as data preparation services, training data collection, annotation of training data, and training AI algorithms for its customers, as well as AI model deployment and integration services. This segment also provides a range of data engineering support services. The Synodex is an industry platform that transforms medical records into usable digital data. And the Agility segment provides an industry platform that offers marketing communications and public relations professionals to target and distribute content to journalists and social media influencers, and also to monitor and analyze global news channels and social media channels. The company serves banking, insurance, financial services, technology, digital retailing, and information media sectors. The company was formerly known as Innodata Isogen Inc. and changed its name to Innodata Inc. in June of 2012. Innodata Inc. was incorporated in 1988. Now let's take a look at INOD's most recent news. On May 7th, 2024, Innodata reported financial results for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2024. Among the highlights was that the revenue was $26.5 million, up 41% from $18.8 million in the same period last year. Net income was $1 million compared to a net loss of $2.1 million in the same period last year. At the end of the first quarter, Innodata's cash balances were $19 million, up from $13.8 million at the end of quarter 4 in 2023, driven by a positive cash flow from operations and a tight working capital management. Innodata raised its 2024 revenue guidance to an expected organic revenue growth of at least 40% year over year, up from the 20% year over year growth it forecasted last quarter. It anticipates a substantial sequential revenue increase in the second quarter of 2024 as well. In addition to this, Innodata announced that it has been awarded an expansion of one of its large language model development programs by one of its existing Magnificent Seven big tech customers. Innodata anticipates that the expansion will result in approximately $23.5 million of additional annualized run rate revenue once implemented. This is an additional to the $20 million in new programs with this customer Innodata announced on April 24th, 2024. Now, the price of INOD stock was pushed upward today, 26% in after hours with this news. And this could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Now, since INOD is also an AI play, this could also be good news for the stock price. There's also been a lot of AI news with the release of ChatGPT, massive earnings by NVIDIA, and companies like Microsoft and others getting into the AI field. And moreover, people like Elon Musk have also kept the AI conversation front and center in the media for months now. As a result, a lot of AI-related microcap stocks that happen to be in the AI sector have gone parabolic. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Innodata Inc., INOD, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that's in the information technology services and AI sector. INOD is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will INOD run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would actually need to see continued volume before we would day trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have INOD on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I will see all of you on the flip side.